Neverness to Everness PC. This error usually shows up on launch or during update, and it's almost always tied to anti-cheat conflicts, missing system files, launcher update failure. Here's the working fix guide. Number 1, close conflicting apps, most common cause. Anti-cheat can block the game if something hooks into it. Close completely. MSI Afterburner, Rivatuner, Discord overlay, OBS, screen recorders, reshade, FPS unlockers. Macro tools debuggers, use task manager, end all unnecessary processes. Disable antivirus temporarily. Some antivirus tools block the launcher update. Turn off real-time protection, temporary, launch the game. If it works, add the game to exceptions. Number 3, install required runtimes. Missing Microsoft files equals launch errors like 0x7ab. Install. Microsoft Visual C++ 2015, Teen of 2022, DirectX End User Runtime, .NET Framework 4.8. After installing, restart PC. #4 Run as administrator. Right-click Game Launcher. Click Run as administrator. This helps if the update process is failing. #5 Clean reinstall important. Corrupted files often cause this error. Steps 1 Uninstall the game. 2 Delete leftover folder, usually in program files, app data. 3 Restart PC. 4 Reinstall fresh. #6 Fix network. Update crash. If it crashes during update, disable VPN, use stable internet, try a different network, mobile hotspot test, allow the game in firewall. Number 7, update GPU drivers. Outdated drivers can break launch update process. Update NVIDIA AMD drivers. Restart system. 8, anti-cheat limitation. If nothing works, then open quote, the game's protection system is blocking your system setup, close quote. This happens if system tools are detected, modified Windows tweaks are used. Most common fix combo. For most users, this solves it. Close overlays plus background tools. Install Visual C++, DirectX.NET. Run as admin, clean reinstall. Final note, error 0x7ab54 is not a hardware issue, your specs are fine. It's almost always open quote, software conflict, or update failure, close quote.